Amalungu emanyano yabasebenzi bakarhulumente iPSA ephelekwa zezinye iimanyano zabasebenzi sebeqalile ukugwayimba kulo lonke eli lemanyano ifuna uchatha we-10% ngelixa urhulumente ingagungqi kwaphela ku-3%.
We demand 10%, as we've initially demanded in the bargaining council. So, and on top of that, we demand also a further cash gratuity to continue beyond the 31st of March 2023, and that it must not be stopped as the government offer currently is on the table. Further, we demand that they retract the unilateral implementation of the 3%, which they've already indicated that it will show in the bank accounts of the members on the 17th of November, which we regard this as an utter arrogance of this government.
Lemanyano ithi olugwayimbo isesisilumkiso ukuba urhulumente aphinde aze etafileni.
It's just a warning to the government that we mean business and we will not be detracted from what they're trying to do for unilateral implementation.
Ukanti naseThekwini amalunga lemanyano ebephume ngobuninzi athi atsala nzima kwaye asebenza phantsi kweemeko ezinzima.
Public servants are the most abused working class, are the most underpaid working class, are the most people that pay tax, are the most people who work with under-resourced. Will not allow, as PSA, we are taking this lead. All the 1.2 million they are behind us. We're calling all the progressive forces to join us to stop this government.
Nayo imanyano yabasebenzi kwicandelo lezempilo iHospesa ivakalise ukungahimbisana kwaphela nengcamango karhulumente yokuphelisa imali yesibonelelo sabasebenzi sethutyana.
The cash gratuity was given last year, so you can't really factor it into this year's wage negotiation because it's already become part of the cost of living of our members in the last financial year. Government is saying it's worth 4.5%, but that 4.5% was already given to them last year.
Olugwayimbo lusaqhuba.